Boost your battery. When decelerating in your Mini Electric, the power is regenerated and the high-voltage battery is being charged. With released accelerator pedal, the deceleration is similar to braking. The brake lights are also illuminated without the brake being operated. The battery is partly charged back up again by this recuperation when the car is in motion, the selector lever position D or R is engaged, and the accelerator pedal is barely operated or not operated at all. Recuperation efficiency can be adjusted by switching the toggle up or down. If the LED is off, high-level recuperation is active, default for every time you start your Mini. Your car decelerates powerfully, so more energy is fed back into the high-voltage battery. An illuminated LED means low-level recuperation. Your Mini decelerates less powerfully. Less energy is fed back into the battery. Check out our other how-to videos for more about your Mini.